Hi friends, let's make this home sweet home today. Let's start with a big triangle. And just below the triangle, we will draw a rectangle. One door and some square windows. Let's draw a tree next to the house. Oh, this tree is looking like a nice candy. Now it's time to add some fun. Let's draw a sun. Now it's time to color.
Wow!
For the rooftop, let's use the color red. Red as a fire truck zooming by, a color so bold catches every eye. And we will take yellow for the wall. Beautiful yellow walls are looking so awesome with the red color rooftop. Isn't it, kids? Very nice. Friends, if you want, you can make your own patterns on the wall and you can use your own colors. Very nice. Now let's take the color pink for alternate window frame. And for rest of the window frames, we will use our favorite sky blue. Woohoo! Our door will not be simple because we will be using awesome purple. Wonderful! To make the best of the scene, we will take the color green. Wow! Marvelous! For the tree trunk, let's take some dark brown. Now what is left? The sun. Let's color it yellow. The circle part. And the rays we will do in orange. Home is where love resides, with laughter, joy and cozy tides. Children, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to channel to find such more fun videos. Bye! Love you!